Hello and good morning. So we are here to present the project charter for EuropeLink, and now we created. So the first step will be the general information. The general information, we have the title of the project. In this case it's EuropeLink, and then we have a brief project description. It will be the development and implementation of the EuropeLink website. This will be prepared by the administration, and it has the date of the project charter and the current version. So the first step is to establish the objectives, and here we decide that the objectives is the development and implementation of the EuropeLink website with this project, and we expect the duration of the project to be 20 weeks. The final result will be the easy access of the information, the interface between suppliers and customers, and it has to be really functional. In the assumptions, we assume that we will have 100% dedicated time of staff. The suppliers will give us the access to the information regarding timetables, regarding prices, etc. Everything related with public transportation. We are assuming that we have the time, and we have the investments needed for the costs that we will have, and we assume that we will have the quality that the client demands. Next comes the project scope. The project scope refers an overview of the project. The overview of what the project will develop. So the project starts with the project idealization actions, what we have to do, what do we want to create. Then it's followed by a research, and in this research we use tools like SWOT analysis for market research, and after this research, the actual pre-work and the development of the website is developed. The next step will be the milestones. Here we put the milestones, in this case the checkpoints that we want to keep track of all our project. In this case it will be the project idealization, the research, the information analysis, and the development. And then for each milestone we want a deliverable. So the deliverable is what the document or a report or something tangible that we want to receive to prove that we reached that milestone. And we have the date for each milestone, and in order for us to keep track, we want the milestones to be realized within these dates. Afterwards we have the impact statement. The impact statement refers to how this project will impact the actual system, the system that actually is being operated, and we assume all these impacts that will affect the system actually. Afterwards we have the roles and the responsibilities. We will refer the sponsor that will provide an overall direction of the project and all his responsibilities. Then we have the project manager and the roles of the project manager, and again the responsibilities. Afterwards we have the rest of the team members that are responsible to work towards the deliverables of the project, and they have also their responsibilities. Next comes the resources that we will need. This is all the resources needed for the project, so the project can move and be success and reach success. Then we have the risks. The risk is everything that can damage our project, that can delay our project, and how we can mitigate. What are our strategies to reduce the risk? So we found these 5 risks and a strategy to mitigate these risks. And lastly comes the success measurement. How can we evaluate the success of our project? So for our project, we assume that the completion of all milestones within the schedule, it's one of the measurements for the success. Then Another success is after we develop the website, if a customer can reduce the average time spent searching a travel for 20%, we consider that another success factor. Also, the increase of demand from suppliers from our website in 10%, it will be also another factor of success management. And with this, we conclude the project charter and the creation of a project charter in this case, for this case of study of EuropeLink. Thank you for the attention, and this is it.